Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can copy a project inside your GitHub repository. For instance, to use it as a template for future projects inside your repository later. So let us dive into this. Head over to your repository on GitHub, navigate to the Projects tab. And what you want to do is just click into these three dots next to the given project you would like to duplicate. As you can see, I can't copy it from here. So if you don't see that option here, you may simply navigate to the given project. And after that, click into these three dots here in the top right and access the given project settings. And from here, guys, what you want to do is simply click into these three dots again and select Make Copy. And next, customize your copy. Give it a name here below. You may set the ownership here and also decide, for example, if the draft issues are will be copied too if selected. So I will leave it unselected. Click into this button to confirm, and that is going to copy your project. Now, if you head over to the Projects tab and refresh the page, you will see the copy here. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.